Hello. I think you are mute.
Okay. Hello, sir. Am
Hello.
I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. So, what can you tell me like something about yourself?
Yes, sir. Actually, my name is not Raju Agmare. My name is Shreyas Rao.
Yeah, I was looking. There is written Shreyas, but here you are.
Actually, there is no electricity here, so I am using my friend's
Oh,
laptop.
okay, okay. Are you comfortable? Like we
Yes,
can
yes.
talk. Okay. So,
So my name is Shreyas Rao, and I have completed my civil engineering degree from Raisoni College in Pune. And due to while doing engineering, I've got interested into digital marketing field, and that's why I've been doing freelancing from past few months in email marketing, and that's why I'm giving this test.
so you have like puts your hands on an email marketing and
Yes,
like SEO, advert, Facebook. Have you like have some
like
experience or?
I am familiar with the platforms, but not use it more.
Okay. So you are like more into email, email
So
marketing.
currently, I am doing it right now.
Okay. So let's talk about then like some of the tools like in SEO. You must have heard of like on page, off page SEO.
Yes,
So
yes.
can you tell me like what you do in on page and off page SEO?
Yes, sir. So basically, on page SEO, we need to optimize the tags, headlines, the content,
Okay.
keywords, etc. Alt text, and in off page, we need to optimize the backend side that can include overall website content.
Okay. So you mean to say like backend, will be optimizing in the off page.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. And like how like have you worked in any website like changing some meta tags, title?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which
I
framework like you have worked on?
I was using WordPress.
Okay. So you have used, so you must be familiar with Yoast plugin.
Yes, I used SEO plugin. Yes.
Okay. So do you know the character limit of like meta description, meta tag, title?
What, sir?
Like what is the word limit? Like when you write some title and
Uh, I think it's 60 characters.
and in
Meta is
description
160 characters.
160. Okay. And if you like there's like I give an example. If some content people come to you and
Mhm.
they want that their blog to be optimized, like
Okay.
like in SEO, the people always need that the positioning of their keyword to be rank higher.
Yes.
That's the purpose of SEO. People do.
Mhm.
So
Right.
they need like there are certain keywords.
Mhm.
For that they want that it should be rank higher.
Okay.
So what you will do to help them?
So basically, write content according to that keyword, which will optimize their site, optimize the landing page, and
Okay.
use information which is related to that keyword, so that when people search for that keyword, our page comes up.
So suppose the keyword is like something about machinery, like it's on predictive maintenance. So predictive maintenance is the keyword. So like where you will be putting that keyword in content.
In the uh, headline h1 tag, also
Okay.
in the meta description,
Okay.
uh, and also throughout the content as well.
Okay. So you know what is keyword density?
Yes, sir.
So what is like maximum keyword density you will keep in that content?
I don't know the actual sir number, sir, but I know the meaning of keyword density.
Okay. You know the keyword density, but you don't know the number.
Yes.
Okay. And you will be like there's also images, so you need to like optimize images in that case.
Yes, sir.
And like so what is like DANPA?
What's
DANPA, if you have heard of.
I think DM is domain authority
Yes.
and page authority.
Yes, page. So how can you improve in that?
Domain authority.
Do you know what it is, by the way?
So I think it basically means how much our domain is like people trust our domain for that specific type of keyword or content.
Okay. And page authority?
Page authority it can like similar. I don't know the exact.
Okay. Are you like have you ever seen like used Google AdWord platform?
Not much.
Not much. Okay. So are you like familiar like with structure, campaign, or how do you set up campaign over there? Have you ever like tried in your life till yet?
Uh, I have like seen, but not use it that much. Like Google Search Console or Google Ad,
Google AdWord.
Google Analytics. I have used.
Okay. No, I am talking about Google AdWords. That's the Google ad. Like people run campaigns, they run text ad, display
Yeah,
ads.
yes, yes,
So that, so you have some knowledge on that about PPC and
yes, sir. Yes, paper. Yeah, I know the meaning.
PPC, you know. Okay.
Yes.
Pay per click. So how like how you will set up a campaign if I give you like a budget of like $1,000
Okay.
and I tell you that you need to set up a campaign that is like a for particular
Mhm.
audience is there, and you need to set that campaign for New York itself.
Okay.
So what you will do, like to get the right set of audience?
So we will select local audience, like only to New York, which is available only to New York,
Okay.
and we will target to those customers only. Like it can be age group or gender wise, demographic.
Okay. So you will choose demographics feature over there,
Yes.
and how you will like lay down the content, and you will put some ads. So how you will start that campaign like?
So basically, we will write content, copy, and design according to the audience that we have available. So if we have, let's say, uh, younger audience, then we will write content according to.
Okay. No, I mean to say like in a platform, you need to set up a campaign. So how do you
Yeah.
start that? Like from the
So
scratch.
okay. So first, we select the objective, like what we want to. Is it we want to generate calls or uh, site visits or to our shops?
Okay.
Then we will select the audience. We will select the budget as well, and also the creatives.
Okay.
We'll set up campaigns and ad sets, ad groups,
Okay.
and then we will start the running ads.
Okay. So campaign, then ad group, then ad. That's the way you will set up the campaign.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I know about Facebook. Like this.
So you have used Facebook ads.
Yes, sir.
So how you like set up campaign over there?
Basically, first we choose our objective. Do we want to like create awareness, or do we want to generate convergence? So
Okay.
basically, it can reach or uh, brand awareness or app installs, etc.
Okay.
Then we will select our audience. Then we will like set up our budget and the creatives,
Okay.
and then start running the ads, and based on the results that we get, optimize accordingly. Then
So you have like set up the ads over there.
yes, sir.
So how much budget like you used and what
Actually,
was the result at the end?
not. I tried doing it for it myself. I was like starting to run Shopify ads for my stores,
Okay.
but
So
so
you
not.
have store like
No, no.
some.
I was like, it was like 2018 or 19, I think, but it didn't work out. So budget was there, not that much.
So what you was trying to sell over there?
I think it was toy from AliExpress.
I didn't get you.
It was a fidget spinner from AliExpress,
Okay. So you
but
was
the
trying to sell that asset over
but
there.
the trend was over fear of fidget spinner. That's why I think it didn't work out.
So at the end, like there was like no result from your end.
No, sir.
Or
But actually, I didn't run it for a long period because I didn't have the budget. That's why it didn't work
oh,
out.
so you work like for 1 week, 2 week. That's the maximum duration you run the ads.
Yes, sir.
You know
But
Pixel
yeah,
over there. What's the
yes, sir.
Pixel?
Pixel is the code that tracks everything on the website
Okay.
that can be installed. Like it connects a Facebook, our a Facebook account and the website.
Facebook account and website is connected with the Pixel.
Yes, sir. Our ads account and the website. So basically, it tracks the what is happening on our site.
Have you heard of UTM? UTM links.
Yes, sir.
What
Universal
what
tracking.
what are like UTM? Yeah, universal.
Universal tracking mechanism, I think. No follow link. I think it includes no follow, canonical.
So how do you use like UTM links and why do you create them?
to, so that the crawlers can crawl our website,
Okay.
so that our content is visible to the audience as well.
Your content is visible? I didn't get you.
People can see our content, so when they search it.
Okay. And so you know like UTM parameters, what are their parameters? What all you need to do to create UTM links?
Not exactly, so I don't know much.
Okay.
So I have been doing email marketing for e-commerce stores like from
E
past 6 months. So I know
email
uh,
marketing you have done. So which like what you have used in email marketing then?
I have used Klaviyo platform.
Which platform?
Klaviyo.
Klaviyo. Okay.
Yes.
So what you were trying to like achieve from that campaign when you were running?
Uh, to generate sales
Okay.
for
So
the
you
product D2C brand.
So what was your like bit list like over there? How many people were there? How did you set your campaign? How did you run in that?
So I first set up pop-ups and then segment the audience. So the list size was like 40,000. So I'm currently also doing it.
So
And
40,000 is the list size that you want to send your email campaigns.
yes, sir.
Okay. So it's like you are doing for e-commerce company.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's like your freelance work you do.
Yes, sir.
So how many like uh, how frequently do you send like emails to them? In a week, in a month,
Currently we are sending it 3 times a week.
3 times a week you're sending to them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have set up the automation process over there.
Yes, sir. Set up the automations flows, pop-ups, and also running campaigns as well.
Okay. And what are you aware of like GSC, Google Search Console?
Not that much. I'm not that aware.
Okay. You haven't used that till
No,
yet.
sir. No.
Analytics.
Analytics, like no, I have, I'm aware, but not used it also that much. So basically, we can see our reports like uh, how many people are coming to our site, how much time they are spending.
Okay.
Uh, we can see that in analytics.
So what are the matrices like you would like to, if there's a client and he wants something from a report from you, so what you will show to him from analytics?
Uh, Number of people who visited our site, the time spent, bounce rate,
Okay.
the like the demographic, which from which country they visited,
Okay.
the number of conversions we like revenue generated. You can also see that in analytics.
You know how to set up the conversion.
No, sir.
Okay. And in analytics there is like filters. Maybe you have tried that for a specific location. Do you know how to change the filters over there?
No, sir. I have not tried it.
Attribution model? Never heard of?
I have heard the words, but
Okay.
attribution model, like it can be like organic, paid, or like affiliate.
No, that is not attribution. Okay. So it's like basically when the user flow, how you make that conversion happen. That's the attribution models. There are a set of attributions models over there.
Okay.
First click, last click,
Right, right.
those are the models. And okay, so I think you have like basic understanding of Google Analytics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And have you tried Insta ads, or like you were telling you have tried Facebook ads?
Yes,
Insta,
sir. I have also used it on sometime.
okay. Insta you have tried?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how do you improve like conversion in Insta?
Like we can improve our content first, the image or the copy, the
Okay.
banner, and then also like improve the targeting as well, like audience, the demographic.
Okay. So you will improve the content and images
The content,
and like,
like the basically ad copy, design, and also the audience as well.
and if I say you to put some keywords over there, so how you will choose those keywords?
We can include that in the copy.
You need some tools like to choose the keywords. So what tools you will use?
Tools. It's, not much idea.
Have you heard of Google Planner, Keyword Planner, and SEMrush,
Yes, I heard of.
Ahref?
Yes,
Those are like all the tools you can use too.
yes, I have.
And okay, have you used those?
Not. I haven't worked much in SEO.
Okay, you haven't worked that much in SEO.
Yes,
Okay. And how long like you are running this email campaign?
I have been like from past 6 months, 6 or 7 months.
6 months you are running this email campaign.
Yes,
Okay.
the client is from UK actually.
UK. Okay. And in Google Analytics, you told some matrices. So
Yes,
if you need to create a report over there, how you will create that?
basic like there is a section Google Analytics report section.
Okay.
I
So
think we can.
how
Uh,
can you scroll to that?
it's in the left hand side top in section,
Okay.
and we can download the report. I think for specific period of time. Yes.
Okay. And scheduling, like, can you schedule that?
Report.
Yes.
Not. I don't know.
Don't know. Have you heard of schema, breadcrumbs?
Yeah, I have heard of like cookies.
Cookies are different. Schema. For a website, you need schema, you need site links.
Schema. But not. I don't like know that. Schema. No, sir, I'm not aware.
Okay. Site links.
Site links. I know about backlinks, sir.
Okay. So how, like, what you do? How you do you create backlinks?
Backlinks are like the links which are on other site that link back to our site. So
Okay.
basically promoting our content on theirs. So that increases our domain authority and also the SEO score. The better the backlinks, it increases our SEO score.
So how you will create? Like there are two types of backlink: follow and do follow.
Yes.
So if you want to create backlinks, so how you will create?
So like we can include it on an article, and let's say we can hyperlink our content in that article, so that when they click the link, it comes back to our site.
Okay. But you don't have access of that website. So it's an external website. So how you will like how what you will do to backlink to that website?
We can like ask for the to them to include our content, or like if we can also pay them for hosting, I think hosting content.
Hosting is different actually. And that is like if you host a website, then you link to that.
Mhm.
Hmm. Have you heard of Eda model? Eda
Yes,
model.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What's that?
Attention, interest, desire, and action. So first, basically, we capture their attention,
Okay.
and then create interest among the audience, and
Okay.
then create desire by giving them offers, etc., like showing the benefits as well, and
Mhm.
then make them purchases, like the click to our action. So basically, it can be an action can be following a page, or buying a product. Just like a funnel we create.
Okay. You have created ads, text ads in Google AdWord?
No, sir.
No. Okay. If you are a digital marketing, if you are doing a digital marketing for a company, so right now you are working in email campaign. That's a different field, I know. But if they need a digital marketer, and digital marketing is like having many domains,
Mhm.
so they want like you to do SEO also, PPC also, different set of domains. So what you will prefer on your choices, like
I think both are important. So organic traffic as important as well as, and also paid traffic is important.
so what are the like KPIs, what KPIs you will choose in organic, what KPI you will choose in advertisement side?
The first KPI will be like number of conversions. The, organic, it will be included in organic as well and in paid as well. Organic can be include like how much traffic came from SEO,
Okay.
like how further our content is ranking. Is it ranking on like first page or second page for specific keywords?
So you will be putting the KPI would be like positioning of keywords.
Uh,
Okay.
yes.
So positioning, and you said conversions.
Mhm. Also,
That's for organic and traffic, you said. And
yes,
for inorganic, like paid advertisement, what you will choose in that case?
paid ads, cost per acquisition, CPA, CPC,
Okay.
also So organic will also, I think, improve or reach.
Organic, you don't need cost per click is like there. You don't
Okay.
need that cost.
Mhm.
In advertisement, that metrics comes up, cost per customer, or like because you have to spend some bucks on that.
Yes, sir. ROAS.
Yes.
It can paid can ROAS. So basically, how much money are we spending and how much are we generating?
Have you used Google Data Studio,
No, sir.
GTM?
No.
Okay. Are you aware of like CBO, ABO in Facebook ads?
CBO, I think, came out recently, so it was not available before. Campaign budget optimization. So basically, Facebook automatic chooses like what's for our campaigns, like which is working better and then put more focus on that type. I think that means can CBA.
Okay. And if you need to set up a campaign in Facebook ads, so like if I give you $800 and I tell you like invest my money and I
Mhm.
need a result somewhere, so how you will set up, like what will be the calculative methods you will use in that case to to get the maximum performance for that $800?
$800.
Or you can take in Indian, like Indian currency, you can take it like I give you around 20 to 30,000 that I give you,
Mhm.
and I say I need like my is a e-commerce company, I want to sell something, and what is the method, like calculative way you will use that budget in Facebook?
Mhm. I think we let's if we create two or three ad sets and budget, let's say 500 rupees per day for each. I think I will let them run for a few days, uh,
Okay.
and based on the results that I get, if if I get one best performing ad set, then I will allocate the remaining budget for that.
So first you will put some budget with a specific amount to test how the campaign is running, then you will improve that.
Yes,
Okay. So you will not try to run 2 or 3 campaign over there and try it that way.
yes, sir. I will try that. So basic run few campaigns and uh, allocate the budget for that them, and then let's if I get best performing, then allocate the remaining budget for that. So let it run afterwards.
Okay. And are you aware of CRM?
Yes, sir.
So what CRM? What sort of CRM you have heard of?
HubSpot,
Okay.
Go High Level. I heard of it.
Okay. Facebook Business Manager, you know, familiar with that?
Yes, sir. So basically, I think it. we can see our Facebook ads data in it. The basically create campaigns, manage different ad accounts.
Okay. Just excuse me. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yeah. So you were telling me about Facebook Business Manager.
Yes, sir.
So how do you like put some settings over there?
We can manage our ad accounts in Facebook Business Manager,
Okay.
different ad accounts.
So Facebook Business Manager, you can set up different campaigns over there.
No, not exactly.
Okay. Then what you will do with that Facebook Business Manager?
We can see our business. I think a business related insight in.
Okay. You know how to do the settings, like how to set up that account and
Uh, I think we need to create a page, a Facebook page,
okay.
and create an ad account for that page for our main account.
Okay.
We can then connect our pixel with our website.
And have you used LinkedIn ads or
No, sir.
have?
No.
Okay. Never used. A/B testing tools you have used in Facebook.
Uh, I have like in email marketing, like I have a copy means the content.
Okay.
Uh, they can be like plain text emails or image based emails. See which is by working better.
So that's like two content you have set up and you are testing those content, which one is performing better.
Yes, sir. Also the subject lines as well.
Okay. That way you have done. In
Yes, sir.
Facebook, you never done A/B testing.
No, sir. No.
Where are you based these days, by the way?
I'm in Pune right now.
Pune.
Yes.
Pune. Okay. So Pune, there is like many tech firms over there.
Yes, sir.
Those are running like adverts and those things.
Mhm.
Have you heard of keyword forecasting? Forecast trends, Google Trends,
Yes, I have worked on.
Google Trends. So what like why you will use that?
What's up? I didn't understand the question.
Why you will use Google Trends?
To see like future predictions like what can happen. Also the past, like what was like the number of traffic for a specific word. That's
So basically, you will be analyzing the keyword over there.
yes.
So how you will like what what you see is for keyword that these keywords are good, these are not the good keywords. So what how you will choose them?
Of traffic the keyword has, the amount of traffic.
Okay. Only with traffic.
Mm, uh, Also like you can choose different type like broad keyword or long tail.
Yes, you can do that.
Long tail or exact keyword.
Types of keyword you will be like choosing.
Yes.
Okay, I think that's for the day. And thank you for your
Thank you.
time.
Yes.
Okay, take care.
Bye.
Bye
Yes.
bye.
Bye.